Right here we are at 7025 Willow Avenue, Raytown, Missouri. This property is located in the Loveland edition. It's a nice, quiet little one-way street that does not get a lot of drive-through traffic. Gives you a little bit of a country feel. Two garage door openers. Maintenance-free siding. It's got newer vinyl windows throughout. We have the ring, and we'll take you inside for a little tour. All right, this property does have 2 living areas on the main level. It's considered a side-to-side split floor plan, where you come in the front door and you're on the living area. You go upstairs, up a half a flight of stairs to the bedrooms. This particular floor plan opens up into a dining room, and you can see a second living area, family room, towards the back. So 2 living areas on the main floor. Tile floors in the kitchen. You got a full-size pantry. Some newer appliances with the stainless steel. Refrigerator is staying. Ceiling fan in the kitchen. We'll go over here and show you the dining room. There's 2 walkthroughs to the front room. That then goes up to the bedrooms. Has a security system and the smart thermostat. Got a huge deck. We'll go out there and look at that here in just a second. Show you this main floor first. Family room with fireplace. Vaulted ceiling. Like I said before, it's got the newer windows throughout, vinyl windows, and vinyl sliding glass door. Huge deck. All right, on the bedroom level, coming up a half a flight of stairs, have a full bathroom. This actually does have the jacuzzi tub. Tile surround. And right across from there is one of the bedrooms. All the bedrooms have ceiling fans. And you have the closet. It does have an attic fan, which is great for that month around spring and fall. This is the second bedroom. And then the master bedroom. Master bedroom does have an awesome view of the backyard. Big old tree in the back. It's awesome. And a ceiling fan. That is the bedroom level. Garage is just off the kitchen. Does have the laundry hookups, a separate door to go outside, and another lower level basement. We'll look at here in just a second. 2 garage door openers. And we'll take a peek down in here. 3 stairs down into the lowest level basement. Turn on some lights. Let's have a daylight window down here. Newer furnace and hot water heater. That's the basement. So off the family room, walks out to a deck. This is probably a 20 by 20 deck. Got a privacy fence around most of the yard. It's just open on one side. where there is a little bit of a walkway or an extra part of concrete. There's the back door that comes out of the garage. I mentioned earlier, maintenance-free exterior. Newer vinyl windows. It's got a fireplace. So that's Willow Avenue.